From Stamperia, we have Winter Tales, and this is the 8x8 paper collection. There are 10 sheets, and there are 16 cutouts in here. So let me show you what's inside. You can imagine there's going to be cutouts right there inside the front cover. Now, some of these are in Spanish, some are in English, so just want you to know that. But they are all beautiful. And then we have Sweet Time Winter Tales right there, and on the back side, see what Just Believe, and you can see the reindeer, quite an adorned reindeer, Once Upon a Time, and on the back. And then we have our princess on the back, and then we've got more of the cutouts, Winter Tales here. By the way, there are die cuts that go with this collection. On the back side, a little bit plainer, but still lovely, Winter Tales with the poinsettias. And on the back, and you can see her, I'm dreaming of a winter tale, no doubt. There's the back side, Far, Far Away. You go in all over print, a little bird. And we have more of the poinsettias in white, more of the cutouts, as you can see, and even more on the back. So there's really quite, I think there's way more than 16 to tell you. So here we go. We also have the die cuts, as I said. So let me bring these in. And these are Winter Tales. So you can see these are going to have more color to them. So that's interesting. And these wreaths actually pop out, and you get another little piece right there. Just like that. So the sizes of the pieces are really nice. You get a variety of larger images like that doorway, the deer, the wreaths, the poinsettias, pine cones, and then you get smaller pieces too, as you can see. So there we go. So in total, there are 35 pieces of the die cuts, and then there are 2 of the rice paper. So this one is the Castle Winter Tales, and this is the Poinsettia Winter Tales. Now, this one's gotten a little bit folded, but you know, that is nothing to be worried about, because when you apply this, you're going to glue them in place, so that's just going to smooth out just perfectly. So Winter Tales is the title of this collection from our friends at Stamperia.